I would like to thank the Voice of Healthcare team and Dr. Naveen Nishchal to have given me an opportunity to be a part of the Accelerated Healthcare Leadership Program. I believe it's a wonderful program to have where you get healthcare professionals to interact with people in the professional ecosystem who have led certain institutions and organizations, and sharing their experience. And with this team is an opportunity for learning for the students who have come for this program, and also for professionals like us. When we share our experience, we get some inputs from these people, professionals who are working in the field today, and that when they share their feedback and their inputs across their work areas, that's a learning for us as well, because healthcare and learning is always a continuous process, and you keep evolving yourself as you go along. So it's a great opportunity. The team which we've got for the first batch is brilliant. It was wonderful interacting with them as part of the discussion as well beyond. So I wish all of them the very best in their professional journey, and wish Voice of Healthcare and the team of Voice of Healthcare to carry on with this initiative and drive in getting healthcare connected and professionals to exchange ideas and thoughts and learnings with each other and grow together. Thank you so much.